Morning class. I want us to take an example from KMF, circles, chords and tangents, question number 6. And on the board here, I've already drawn that diagram. You can see that we have the centers of the two pulleys A and B, and they are 50 centimeters apart. We have the angle SAB as 84.26, and we also have the radii given as AS is 10 centimeters and BR is 5 centimeters. So this is how we go about it. We first insert the smaller circle inside the bigger circle. Then we see that this is going to be, say this is AM. Then we also have N. We produce this, we'll get T. We draw a parallel to it. We are going to get U here. So I've completed that diagram. So the belt we are asked to calculate the distance is from S, you go around all the way to R and then S. So if I join M to the center of the smaller circle of center B, I will realize that this distance here is equal to this distance and they are parallel. This distance also is equal to, that is MS is equal to BR, and they are also equal. So given that this is a triangle ABM, it meets that tangent, the AM meets the tangent at 90 degrees. So I can easily get the distance MB by use of Pythagoras theorem. So I'll say 50 squared minus 5 squared. From A to M is 5 centimeters, so it will be equal to MB squared. So MB will be equal to the square root of 50 squared minus 5 squared, which you will get as 49.75. So we have got this distance as 49.75, and it is also equal to the distance SR, which is 49.75. Now at the same time, this is 49.75. So now we want to get the distance of the major arc ST. So here, this angle is identical to this one, making it 84.26 also. So if you multiply by 2, you'll get 168.52. But you are going to use this angle, which is actually 191.48 degrees. So you say 191.48 over 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 10, you'll get this distance of ST. So this is going to be equal to 33.42 centimeters. Then we also have this angle is identical. This angle RBU is identical to SAT. The two angles are identical. So this is 168.52 degrees. So I'll also use it to get the distance of this minor arc RU. So it will be 168.52 over 360 times 2 times 3.142 times the radius, which is 5, and you will get the distance to be 14.71. Now that I've got the distance here as 33.42 centimeters, here I've got 14.71 centimeters. Now I need to add all around to get the distance, which is going to be 33.42 plus 49.75 plus 14.71 plus 49 again 0.75, which is going to give me the total distance as 147.63 centimeters. So thank you for listening.